Hey, today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this beautiful bottle centerpiece. It's so cute, it's great for your weddings or any other occasion. For the craft you'll need a 4-pack of bottled beers, as well as spray paint of white and terracotta, then acrylic paints, a toothbrush, a painting brush, and of course decorative tapes. First we're going to want to run our bottles under hot or at least warm water because we want to remove those labels. Some of them will come off easier, others not as easily. If not, just use those nails or a sponge. Next, you need to make sure you dry your bottles with a kitchen towel. Now the fun part begins. We're going to spray our bottles with white matte paint. We want to make sure that we do it in some safe place because otherwise you'll spray it all around the place. And we're going to do exactly the same thing with our box, except we're going to use terracotta colored spray paint. Now the next step, we're going to try to replicate the terracotta color, except that we're going to do it with acrylic paint. So we're going to mix the red and the orange, and you're going to want to give it a good mix. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of black and mix it in as well. Finally, you're going to want to top it all up with a little bit of water so it's a little more liquidy. I'm then going to take a toothbrush that obviously I don't regularly use, and I'm just going to dip it in the dye. Now using the brush, splash the paint all over the bottles to decorate them. Finally, take a paintbrush and add some dots to finish the look. And the final step is to take some of the decorative tape and use it to decorate the box, and then we're going to pop the bottles into the box and add some flowers or anything else to make it look like a better, more interesting centerpiece. If you like the craft, please subscribe and like this video. Bye bye!